Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore broken SSL redirects using cPanel and let's encrypt, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore broken SSL redirects using cPanel and let's encrypt, log in to your cPanel account. Navigate to the domains section on the dashboard. Find and click on the SSL/TLS status icon. Verify the status of your domain's SSL certificate. If it shows not secure or inactive, proceed to issue a new certificate. Scroll down to the section titled Auto SSL. Select Run Auto SSL to initiate the process. Wait a few minutes for the system to complete the installation. Once completed, check for any error messages during installation. If no errors are present, return to the SSL/TLS status page. Confirm that the certificate is now active for your domain. Next, locate the Redirects option in the Domains section. Select your domain from the drop-down menu. In the Redirects to field, enter the HTTPS version of your URL. Choose the type of redirect, 301 for permanent or 302 for temporary. Ensure the redirect with or without www option is set according to your preference. Click that Add button to create the redirect. To verify the redirect, open a new browser tab and enter your domain name. Check that it automatically redirects to the HTTPS version. If the redirect is functioning properly, your setup is complete. For additional settings, consider configuring your .taxes file for further control. Open the File Manager in cPanel to edit your .taxes file. Locate the file in the root of your website's directory. Add the following code to force HTTPS redirection if it isn't already present. Rewrite engine on followed by rewrite con %HTTPS off and then rewrite rule HTTPS // %. Save the changes to the .taxes file. Return to your browser and clear the cache for the best results. Finally, revisit your site to confirm the secure connection is working as intended. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.